Hello Super Fans, I'm here with the Indonesian Super Fans and also with the Philippine Super Fans. Semangat dong! Semangat dong! Okay, so right now we will have a game and then I will give them questions and then the team that have the most correct answer will get Hello Panda! Okay, let's the game begin.
Name 3 support heroes from MLBB.
Nana, Xavier, Cyclops.
Nana sa iyo. Ay, support! Asa bukan support? Okay. 3 support heroes from MLB.
Lolita.
Nice one. Okay. Which hero is the Starlight skin this month?
Xavier. Base.
Okay. Benar. 1-1. Indonesia. Let's go into.
What do you get if you killed 4 people consecutively in MLBB?
Ultra kill. Maniok.
Name 3 heroes that don't have the letter A in their name.
Gada adi na nama. Hero. Sebut.
Tigril,
Ada.
Cecilion, Estes, Ruby.
Satu.
Let's go! What year was MLBB released?
2016.
What does HP stands for? HP. Ay, ito. Nauna kami.
High percentage.
Whole point.
What is the price of Hunter Strike item?
Ini. 2010. Benar? 2010. Let's go into! Hello Panda. Hello Panda.